It's a very good afternoon from New Era Tourism, and today we're at Alton Tower for their After Dark event. They have a light show for 5 minutes every 15 minutes, and they also have rides in the dark, obviously. So let's go and see what's going on, guys. This is the line to get onto it. Nice blue fence. And this is a Sierra coaster, kids coaster. Bluey, Chase the Grannies.
This is a very serious matter. Beautiful, let me handle it. Yeah, watch it, mate. I'll have to get a little poke. Okay, how's your lawyer?
Testing. The characters are out. I love this station. Oh, I love that. They've done it literally for Mum. Still just doing the finishing works today. And that's Bluey, Chase the Grannies, opening tomorrow. Alton fish are now in the CBBS pond outside the lunchbox. Probably because the other lake would have been a lot colder than this one. Wizard's closed down for a problem, so that's not available to go on at the minute, which is a shame because I wanted to go on it, so yeah. The helicopter looked good tonight. The boat is broken, unfortunately. It had problems since Saturday. Nemesis Reborn looks so much better in the dark. Can't believe how good it looks. On Intoxicator is looking good tonight.
It's quite a mouthful. It was a mouthful of bone, of spaghetti. Why didn't the skeleton go to the ball?
Let's go and see Bob. Wow. He definitely has a wow factor. I think I'm right in saying his head used to light up as well. He's not lit up tonight. That's a shame that's not lit up. Looks awesome tonight, but he always does. Shame about some of the light effects not working to full capabilities, or not even on, but he still looks good, Bob does. Brings the end to our vlog at Alton Tower for Alton After Dark. What did we think? The event could have been built on from last year, in my opinion. But I love seeing the rides in the dark. They do need to look at changing the hours, because you can't have something looking that good not opening it often. Especially with Universal coming. Yeah, so mixed reviews today because lots of rides are broken. Yeah. Bye guys.